Simple past tense, potential mode. Potential mode is used to indicate want, can, and should. To form the past tense, the auxiliary verbs might and could are added according to the meaning. Now see the active voice. Subject plus might, could plus present verb. Passive voice. Object plus might, could. Be plus past participle by. Now see the first example. Active voice. They might help him with the project. Passive voice. He might be helped by them with the project. Next example. Active voice. He could finish the homework earlier. Passive voice. The homework could be finished by him earlier. Active voice. He could take the earlier flight. Passive voice. The earlier flight could be taken by him. Active voice. They might bring the cake. Passive voice. The cake might be brought by them. Active voice. He could win the race. Passive voice. The race could be won. Active voice. He could write the letter. Passive voice. The letter could be written by her. Active voice. He could fix the car. Passive voice. The car could be fixed by him. Active voice. He could explain it better. Passive voice. It could be explained by him better. Active voice. She might choose the blue dress. Passive voice. The blue dress might be chosen by her. Active voice. They might watch the movie. Passive voice. The movie might be watched by them. Active voice. She could paint the house. Passive voice. The house could be painted by her. Active voice. He could play the piano at the party. Passive voice. The piano could be played by him at the party. Active voice. She might buy the car. Passive voice. The car might be bought by her. Active voice. He could build the fence. Passive voice. The fence could be built by him. Active voice. They might accept the offer. Passive voice. The offer might be accepted by them. Active voice. She could design the website. Passive voice. The website could be designed by her. Active voice. He could solve the puzzle faster. Passive voice. The puzzle could be solved by him faster. Active voice. They might donate more money. Passive voice. More money might be donated by them. Active voice. They might order more food. Passive voice. More food might be ordered by them. Active voice. He could prepare the presentation. Passive voice. The presentation could be prepared by him. Active voice. She might water the plants. Passive voice. The plants might be watered by her. Active voice. They might postpone the meeting. Passive voice. The meeting might be postponed by them. Active voice. She could knit the scarf. Passive voice. The scarf could be knitted by her. Active voice. She could paint the portrait. Passive voice. The portrait could be painted by him. Active voice. They might celebrate the anniversary. Passive voice. The anniversary might be celebrated by them. Active voice. He could manage the project. Passive voice. The project could be managed by him. Active voice. They might clean the house. Passive voice. The house might be cleaned by them. Active voice. They might adopt the dog. Passive voice. The dog might be adopted by them. Active voice. He could start the business. Passive voice. The business could be started by him. Active voice. They might cancel the trip due to bad weather. Passive voice. The trip might be cancelled by them due to bad weather. In next tutorial, I will bring you tenses in English grammar with meaningful lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification. And share my video among your friends. See you in future video.